Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. I actually have a few things that are like brand new to the site, which is like never me. I'm always like the last to buy like new things. But anyways, if you like to see some of the products that I picked up, please keep watching. So this first thing I had a promo code for. It's from the brand IGK and it's the First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is a pretty decent size to really figure out if you like it or not. So I feel like I've heard a few people say that they really like this charcoal dry shampoo. I've never tried a charcoal one ever in my entire life. And my scalp is like really like picky, I feel like, because almost every single dry shampoo I've tried like just dries my scalp out like so much it like itches and like kind of burns. Even like the Batiste does that to me, and that's like everybody loves it seems like. So I'm excited to try this out. It says deep cleanse level, so detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing. So I don't know, it might be a little too strong for my poor dry scalp, but we'll see. Then I used my points. I tried to use all my points. I've had 2 Sephora orders. I already did one of the hauls, so you've already seen that, but this is my second one. And I try to just use all my points because like honestly, I do not shop at Sephora that often, maybe like 3 times a year. It's not very often, maybe 3 to 5 at most. And so I've had a ton of points this whole time, but they never have anything worth getting. So this time they had like, what was it? They had a whey package. They had a, I can't remember the other ones, but there was 3 really good ones, like the 500 point perks. So I'm like, whatever, I'm just going to use like the rest of my points. So I got 3 of them, and then I got an email that said they were out of stock, so I didn't get any of them. Go figure. But I did go ahead and use my 100 points to get the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder in Translucent. I already have a couple of these, so I figured I'd just throw this in a giveaway as just like a bonus little gift because it is a really good powder. Then I used my points to get the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Finish Pressed Powder. So I have an older one of these in my like travel makeup bag. Not really travel makeup bag, but it's the makeup bag that I keep in my purse, so when I leave the house I could do touch-ups. And so I have the older one of this. I think I've had it for like 2 or 3 years that it just stays in that makeup bag, so I figured it's probably time to switch them out. And because I think I got that one with my points too, I didn't really buy it, you know what I mean? So I don't feel as bad throwing it away, so I just went ahead and got a replacement. Then I got this with my points. I don't know what I was thinking, but this is the Sephora Glossed Lip Gloss, a high shine, comfortable, long-lasting lip gloss. It says it comes in 28 shades from cream to sparkle, and this is just in the shade clear. So I don't know if I'll just throw this in a giveaway, you know, as like a little bonus thing, or I'll keep this in my makeup bag that stays in my purse. I don't know. We'll see. But I haven't heard anybody talk about these glosses. Then they had these guys on the sale tab for $3 a piece. And if you have been around my channel since the beginning, so like 4 or 5 years ago, I used to buy these Sephora lip glosses in the tubes all the time. Like there's this one that's a brown shade that's my favorite. I've probably had it for like 8 years and I'm not getting rid of it. Like I love it so much. But then I saw these guys and I'm like, hey, you know what? I'm kind of into these like bronzy metallic shades, especially for the summertime. So I went ahead and got these 2. This one right here, it's the Colorful Gloss Balm, and it's in the shade Midas Touch, and it's like a gold metallic kind of brown bronzy shade. I thought it would be gorgeous in the summertime with like a nice tan, maybe like a gold glitter eye or a gold metallic eye, smoky eye, whatever, and then pop this on the lips with just lip liner, maybe with like a MAC Honey Love. That's like a really good kind of darker nude shade. I bet this will look gorgeous on top of it. So I got that one. Then I got this like rusty shade, which I'm super excited about. This is in the shade called Show and Tell, and you can see it's like a rusty metallic shade, but how pretty would that be on your lips? Like I said, just like by itself on top of a lipstick, sure, but I feel like these 2 shades would look gorgeous with just a lip liner. Oh, I cannot wait. Then this is one of the new things. Oh, okay, so this is just a bigger version of the deluxe Sephora gloss I just showed you. So this is the glossed lip gloss. These are $10, I think is very reasonable. This is what it looks like. The packaging is like really nice. I wanted to get a unique shade, so that's why I got this one. This is like a gold bronzy with like a little bit of like a pink reflect in it. It looks beautiful. I actually really like this packaging. Like it's kind of bulky, but I really like it. This is in the shade Money. Ooh. It doesn't really have that nice of a... Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. But that is beautiful. It's like a gold pink shade. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be on my lips the entire summer. It feels really lightweight on here too. It's like, it's gold one way. It's like a gold green one way, and then you flip your hand and it's pink. Ugh. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. I really hope you guys can see it. It's so beautiful. So the applicator was kind of one of those like slanted, pointed doe foots, but this went on. Like, the formula feels amazing. Like, so I might have to get a few more of these lip glosses. I'm a sucker for gloss. Like, that's probably one of the #1 things I always buy. Then I saw, who was it? She used to go by That Taylor, but now I think she goes by Taylor Wynn. She was talking about this, so I wanted to give it a try, and I never wear SPF, which is like horrible, but this is from the brand Supergoop. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them. This is the Glow Screen SPF of 40, and it's just a sunscreen, I think. It says it's a lightweight pearlescent formula that hydrates the skin while acting as a luminous makeup gripping primer. It says it also doubles as a highlighter or wherever you want an extra little dose of sunshine. I'm gonna have to swatch this because I thought she said that she just wore it by itself in the summertime and it gave her skin like a nice glow. So I want to swatch this real quick and see. Can't really smell it. Doesn't really seem to have a scent to it. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, feels really nice. Ooh, it does leave a glow. Okay, yep, this is definitely something that I would wear just by itself in the summertime or even as a primer because that's what the box said you could use it. But it looks gorgeous. Like, I'll have no problem wearing sunscreen if I can just slap this on. Ooh, and it doesn't feel like sticky or anything. Like, it feels really lightweight. Man, too bad they wouldn't make that into like a BB cream or something. Like, that would be awesome. Very happy with this purchase. Next, I picked up this, where did I see this? I think I saw this on Revolve's website and I was like, that's weird. And then I saw that Sephora had it, so I just purchased it from there. But this is from the brand Kosas, and it's the Wet Lip Oil Gloss. This is the packaging. They had a few shades, but again, I've been trying to buy shades that I know I don't have a million shades of, which I probably do, but I tried to pick one that I know I didn't have like a bunch of. This is in the shade Malibu. And like, look at this packaging. I took it out just to look at it. Look at that. It's like super unique. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of summer. I love that the packaging is like a clear acrylic and then it has wet written on it, like in white. Like, I don't know why, but I think this packaging is like one of my favorites and it's like so simple, you know? Let's see. Okay, so it is kind of like a curved slanted doe foot. Ooh, it looks really pretty. It smells like orange creamsicle. I feel like I've been smelling that a lot lately in lip glosses. That's really pretty. So it's just like a My Lips But Better Kylie, you know, MAC Whirl shade. But that looks really pretty. I feel like it would look good with by itself or on top of a lipstick. I like that a lot, actually. I wonder if they have like a baby pink shade. I have a million of those, but like, I think that'd be a really pretty shade in this. Then this is a TikTok made me buy it. This is from Milk Makeup. I only own the Hydro Grip Primer, I think is what it's called. And then I tried the hydrating like stick thing and I was like allergic to it, which is weird because I'm not really allergic to anything makeup wise except for vitamin C serum. But anyways, that's the only other thing I've tried from Milk Makeup is this and the Hydro Grip Primer. But I can't remember who I was watching on TikTok, somebody I don't know obviously, but this is in the shade Blitzed and they said it was the most like unique highlighter they've ever tried. So I was like, all right, let's do it, because I feel like a lot of my highlighters look the same. So yeah. This is what it looks like. It says that it's a pearl packed silky highlighter that hydrates to plump skin so formula goes on smooth without settling, leaving a next level glow. It looks like there's like some sparkles in it. Ooh, it is really pretty. It's like a rose gold. I don't know, it might be too dark for me to wear right now, but the formula feels really, I don't know if you guys can see that, the formula feels really like smooth, like almost like a cream. I feel like this would look better on me in the summertime, but let's go ahead and pop some on now just to see, I guess. And I can't tell if that glitter is all the way through or it's just like a spray on top. Yeah, I feel like this is something I have to wait to wear when I have either a self-tan on or I'm tan. It's a little dark. It's really pretty though. I definitely think that this is like a unique shade for sure. It's gorgeous. Okay, sold. I like this. I want to go look at the other shades now. That's really pretty. I love the formula of this. Like, it has glitter in it, but it's not like obnoxious. I don't know. I really like that. I have two things left. I picked up the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I've wanted this since it first launched, but the last thing I bought from her was the Blackest Black eyeshadow, which I haven't tried yet. And then the thing that I have tried that, oh my gosh, I was like so disappointed in was the Safari palette. And I bought that when it first launched, so I paid full price for it, and it is so bad. Like, I don't like it at all. This went on sale to I think 60 bucks. So I'm like, okay, it's now or never, you know, it's not gonna get any cheaper. And like I said, I've loved this since I first saw it, so I thought this would be a good time to buy it. So hopefully it's not horrible. At least I didn't pay full price if I don't like it. But I love the packaging. I love this turquoise color, and I love like the pink writing with the gold. Like, this would be a really pretty like eyeshadow look. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It just like screams spring and summer. And my favorite shade in here, we'll see when I put it on my eyes, but just kind of like sold me on this palette. I've literally had my eye on it since this palette launched, was this shade right here, and it's called Sangria. It's like a mauve-y shade. It's literally like a MAC Whirl, but for your eye. So I don't know why, but it just looks so gorgeous to me, and I'm gonna be really upset if it sucks. But these matte shades, like, I love how they're like matte mauve-y, pinky pink shades, peachy shades. Like, I love all of that. So I hope this palette doesn't let me down because I really like it. So the last thing from my haul I found on the new arrivals or new items tab. Like, I don't even know. See, that's how much I don't shop on Sephora. But this is from Givenchy, and it's the Liquid Balm Le Rose Perfecto. No idea. But I think I saw Trend Mood post these, and then that's how I knew to go to Sephora. But then they already had it on like the new arrivals thing. But this looked really nice. So, lip balm with a couture glow, genuine leather, lasting hydration for 8 hours, day after day, soothed and moisturized lips, non-sticky finish. What a weird description. So I got the shade 001 Perfect Pink because I wanted to wear it by itself, like with just a lip liner. I don't have any desire to put it on anything, I don't think, but I think it would look really pretty on top of MAC Angel. But look at this packaging. I mean, it's high-end, but still, like, packaging. Beautiful. I wonder if it meant that this part right here on the lid was genuine leather. Maybe that's what that meant. I don't know. I don't really know what to expect from this. Has a rose scent to it. Oh, it's just clear. What the heck? Maybe it shows up more pink on the lips possibly, but it does have a rose scent to it, which I don't mind actually. Okay, so there is a slight, like teeny tiny pink to it, but I like it. I actually really like this. I kind of wish that it had just like, I don't know, I kind of wish it looked more like this on my hand, but yeah, I don't know. If I like this, I might look into a couple more shades, but so far so good. It doesn't feel sticky. Okay, it does feel a little sticky actually, but it does feel like a liquid balm. Like the, I think it's Fresh. They have like the sugar balms, I think, that in the tubes. Is that what they're called? That's what that kind of reminds me of, but in a lip gloss form. Interesting. So that's everything from my Sephora haul. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products in the comments below, and let me know what you're loving at the moment so I can kind of like check those out, because like I said, I don't really shop a lot at Sephora, but if there's like a few things that you guys are just like, they're your ride or die products, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely check those out. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this Sephora haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.